3 points today. You must be happy with second half performance in particular.
Yeah, great. I thought it was a great response half time. First half, I didn't think there was a lot in it. I felt that their goal was a little bit fortunate, but it was the only thing that separated us. I didn't think a lot happened in the first half, to be honest. The second half, we came out with an intensity and a desire to go and get a result and be more like us, because first half, I didn't think we were like us.
Yeah, a lot of character shown. Not the first time you've come from behind to beat Barri this season as well.
No, we won't be beaten, not easily. We're not going to roll over. First half, I wouldn't say we rolled over, but like I said, it wasn't us. But it was always going to be a very tough second half for Barri. Whether they were able to hold on or go and get a second was obviously, open to the gods, if you like. But it was always going to be a tough second half for them, because there's no way we're rolling over. And I suppose, as I just said to the players now, we are going to lose games of football, but we're not going to make it easy for anybody.
Top of Christmas and a key win today, really, if you're talking about wanting to be top at the split.
I just think it's one game at a time, and they're all big wins, and every game feels like the biggest game of all time. That's just the way it is. And we got a couple of days now. We'll train, of course, and then New Year's Eve we got Cardiff Met, and it's going to feel absolutely huge on the day. But what I've asked of the players is whoever I pick, whether it be through injury, suspension, or just through choice, they've got to go out there and give 100% like they did today, and they have done so far.
Steve, not the result you wanted today. Do you think they deserve more today?
Yeah. Probably based on the two halves, probably draw was a fair result. We had a better first half, they had a better the second half. So disappointing. Also disappointing with the goals we conceded. I think the first one's a foul on our player. But there you go. It goes through sometimes it doesn't.
In the second half, you mentioned, what do you think was the difference in the second half?
We were so comfortable first half. It was never going to be the case. They topped the league. They're a very, very good team. So no team dominates for 90 minutes. Very, very rarely. Whereas I thought we were really good first half. Second half, they came into it. Didn't really create a lot. I don't think it was a game full of chances. And it's just moments, small details which we need to improve on. Both boxes. We've had chances which we didn't take, and obviously then you look at the goals we concede. A cross, wide cross, free header, middle of the goal. It's not acceptable. We've got to do better than that.
Got a big game coming up against Britain Ferry, Llansamwell. It seems like a key one in that race for the top six.
Yeah, they're all key. We've looked at it. We had 5 games. It hasn't gone for us. But in terms of performance, it's been okay. But at the minute, it's just the small details. Both boxes is not going for us. So we've got to understand that as a group, and we do. We talk about it, but we have to do better. I've got no doubt then that we'll get what we need. All right, but it's going down. I think I said it last week, the week before. We're probably good up the last game. You know what I mean? It's going to be exciting for everybody, but it probably will go that way. But we had 5 games to do it. Now we got 2.
Clayton, big 3 points. How tough was it out there today?
Yeah, tough. We started off sloppy first half, real sloppy. And obviously they've got a goal 1-0 in a tight game, so we come in half time and we knew we had to come out and be better second half. We still weren't that good second half, but we were much more at it, played at a much better tempo, more aggressive, and did enough really to get a win.
Your winning goal, it felt as if it came at a key point in the game. Talk us through it.
Yeah, I was playing deep liar, so really I probably shouldn't have been that far forward, but just making a few runs forward. Kane's giving me the ball and gap opened up, so I had a little go. I don't score many from out there, so it was a nice one.
Scored 10 goals for Barri in your time here. First time against them. Strange playing against your former club?
Yeah, it is, to be fair. I played against them once last season. I missed the one with injury, and I think I missed another through suspensions. Actually, I played against them twice, so yeah, it's weird coming back here. And people always said, would you celebrate if you scored? And I thought, yeah, why not? Well, it's not that deep. I still love all the fans and that.
Thanks.